viewers, I want to show you all the current update of ongoing construction of Awka-Onitsha expressway. So I'm starting my video from Northia. So they started from Amobia flyover. So I started the coverage from Northia. So I want to show you all. They've done all the way from Amobia. That's the second lane that is remaining. So I want to show you all the current update. This is the first lane they completed from Awka-Onitsha. So from here now you can drive all through to Onitsha. So but the second lane, which is the final phase, is currently ongoing. Those that are new, the construction company handling this project is RCC. They are also constructing from our boundary with Enugu, that's Amansi. They're also constructing that section to Awka, that's the immigration junction. So this is the second phase of it. So they are constructing from Amobia flyover to connect to where they stopped at Awka-Onitsha. So let me show you all the current updates. Because of the construction going on at the second lane, road users are using the first lane, which has been completed from Awka to Onitsha. So once this second lane is completed, it will all be a smooth ride all the way from Awka to Onitsha. So they are doing a quality job here. So relax and exercise patience. Let me show you all where they are. So you can see the heavy traffic on this lane. So they are trying their possible best, give and take. I'm optimistic that the way they are handling this project before the end of the year, this road from Awka to Onitsha to Awka-Onitsha will be completed. So what you are looking at now is a RCC construction sites. So this is their site. If you can remember, they have something like this in the Enugu section. So before, when they were constructing the first lane, they were moving the materials all the way from Enugu to this site. So their new construction yard now is located in Enugu Agide along the express road. So it's easier for them to move the materials. That's why this second lane is very fast, unlike the time they constructed the first lane, which took them almost 2 years. So from what I'm seeing, the second lane, they're almost rounding up with it. So now I'm approaching Ukpo. So you can see they are walking. So relax, let me show you all the current updates. Here is Ukpo, as before the headquarters. That's Aba Junction, that's where I'm heading to now. You can see the headquarters. Clinical firm. So this is Aba Junction now. Here is Aba Junction. This section is Ukpo. In the other section, this section is Ukpo. So you can see. So from what I'm seeing, they will be through with this side before end of the year. They're almost done with, almost wrapping up with the projects. So let me still show you how. Let me still go down. So I'm heading to Awka-Onitsha now. After the next town is Awka-Onitsha. So you can see they've asphalted to Awka-Onitsha now. So they are asphalted to Awka-Onitsha. So here is Awka-Onitsha now. So by and large, they are closing up with the project. After Awka-Onitsha, once they are done with Awka-Onitsha, the next town is Nteje. So after Nteje, the next town is Umunya. That's where they will stop to join with the former one that has been completed. Rest assured that once this project is completed, it will last. The work they are doing here, the solid work they are doing here is top notch. So this is where they stop with the asphalt, and that's Awka-Onitsha. So from here now, let me drive further to show you where they've excavated. So here is Awka-Onitsha. Although we've entered rainy season, I believe they will be doing it gradually. So the company you are looking by my right is a Milton Steel, a steel manufacturing company that was commissioned by the governor of Anambra State, Professor Chukuma Soludo, sometime 2022 or 2023. So as you can see, so they've graded this place. This here is Awka-Onitsha. Here is Awka-Onitsha. So they are coming down to Awka-Onitsha junction. So they are getting close. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to follow up with the developments happening in Anambra State. Thanks for watching and remain blessed.